Hey, Bridget. Good morning. Let's get this coop clean for him. We got it clean for him. Little lady, you don't have very long. If you want to go eat some grass, you better do it while I'm cleaning the bantams. It's a quick day because I have to leave for vacation. Are you gonna go? Don't bite me. Okay, you don't have to. I think these girls aren't fully awake either. They're not doing much ranging today, just kind of hanging out. Good morning, bantams. No one's out yet. Let's get this coop clean. We got it clean. Good morning, Kiss. Good morning, Nugget. Good morning, Colonel. This girl's being stubborn again today. I just got done with the bantams, and she hasn't moved at all. So now I'm gonna call her sisters all back in, and she's just gonna have to deal with no grass today, I guess. They're all congregating by the barn door waiting for me to get their scratch. Good job, guys. All right, let's go. Good morning, Evie. I'm almost done. All right, guys, now it's your turn. Sorry, Moose. I threw it all on the ground. I forgot. Charlie has his breakfast, and Evie has hers. Good morning, Dwayne. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Harlow. Good morning, Ember. Felicity has her hay pellets and water. Molly and Hallie have their hay pellets and water. Felicity, I think you're making a bad choice, silly girl. Is that for you? I think she can see honey and she's trying to get to him. We don't want any more babies, sister. Honey has his hay pellets and water.
Welcome everybody. We're at Mud Run Meadow farm, and I'm filling in for my daughter Shayla, which is on a well-deserved trip, and we're going to take care of animals tonight. I am super excited. Everybody's going to get double treats, even the bear chickens. So here we go. Hi girls. Hi. You ready to go sleepy? Ready to go sleepy? Alright. Oh, good girl. You're a good girl. Yeah. Are you a mean one? You a mean one? Well, let's find out. Yeah. You're not liking that, ain't you? Here, go sleepy. There. That looks like a good. Oh, yeah. There you go. There, you want to sleep by her? You want to sleep by her? Which one? You can sleep back here. There you go. Oh! She had an egg. She wasn't done.
Oh, no.
Sorry. She laid it in midair. Well, it's trying to keep it. All right. Girls Shayla's having good sleeping.
But there's one down there. Or behind you.
Okay.
Come on. Yeah.
Oh, there's a bunch over there.
Alright, we just took care of the bantams, chicken, and we're told not to take care of the other chickens, the regular ones that look normal. And now we're going to attempt the cow sleeping. A little nervous. Big cows. So Paula says she's going to stay out here and make me get the cows out of the barn.
No, I'm not staying out. I'm coming in to help.
Okay. Hey kids, we all love you if something goes wrong.
Oh, look what she's leaving us.
I really not doing that. Hi babies. Hi babies.
Hi, baby.
Hi babies.
Hi, big girl.
Hi babies. I mean.
Hey, try to get him to go that way and I'll shut this
Oh
door.
yeah, I gotta get him out of here.
It's okay, I'm not gonna run you over.
Come on. Look. No. No.
Why?
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hi, baby. No, no. Come here. Yeah, I gotta check they have water. Night out, baby. Bridget. Come here, Bridget. Alright, everybody's in bed, everybody's been given a pack except for Bridget. She didn't want one.
First night, mission accomplished. Now we go deal with chicken. Well, I'm about an hour and 15 minutes into it. I have total respect for my daughter, the work and effort that she puts into this. I'm drenched in sweat, and I'm about ready to make chickens not be broody. Broody? Is that what you call them?
Yes, it's pretty good.
Yep, there we go.
Oh, I've not been doing sideways. Dang it.
Oh, you got a lot. Thank you, girl. Holy cow. You don't got enough.
I have another thing.
Holy cow. take me about 10 minutes. It'll take Shayla about 30 seconds. You girls don't sit in the barn too much tonight because I don't want to clean too much tomorrow. You hear me?
Stop.
Huh? Not very much. Not very much. Good. No pooping. No pooping tonight.
Still got a lot of eggs. Oh no. Smile, girl, you're on camera. You gonna say anything?
What are you doing?
Taking a
Here,
break.
give me that.
I like your new chair, Shayla. Comfy.
Go have a wonderful day. Go get a drink. Go get a drink.
No eggs?
Non-producers. There wasn't very many of those in there last night.
Well, the one egg we got over there I just dropped. Pop. What is happening? There's 3 other things.
Something interesting. Come on.
Come back in there, or maybe it was stuck.
Yeah.
Are you gonna say anything?
No, I'm about to have a heat stroke.
Okay. Look, she wants a pet every now and then. Hi, Bridget. Hi, Atlee. Hi, Atlee. Hi, Cub. Hi, baby. Come here, and I'll give you a pat. You want a pat?
We just got home from our weekend vacation. The cows are doing great. My parents actually did an amazing job taking care of them. So amazing that we came home expecting to have to clean this morning's stalls and stuff because I told them not to worry about it, and they had done that too. So we literally just got to come home and clean up our mess from camping and just enjoy the rest of our weekend before we get back to the swing of things tomorrow. Charlie, what are you doing? You think that that's a safe choice? Hey Bridget, did you miss me? Did you scare Charlie away, Bridget? Hopefully Charlie doesn't grow too much bigger. He won't be able to get in and out of the cow pasture. That's a tight squeeze. Same with Evie, she just came out that way. I was in here messing with the bunnies, refilling their waters, getting honey all ready for the day, and I heard this weird commotion. Atlee locked me in the stall with Dwayne's cage. That was rude, Atlee. Since we're home to make sure that she's okay with this little mask on, I went ahead and put the fly mask on Dove, and I'll just keep checking on her throughout the day. I got him sprayed down with fly spray the best that I could. Harlow probably got one drop on her because she kept running away, even if I was trying to brush her. Atlee did all right. Dove did run away, but she has her fly mask on. Ember did okay. Believe it or not, Bridget did the best. Though there's still 2 flies on her right now, so. Sorry, sister, I tried. I think these flies die once they've been on the stuff is maybe how it works. Not really sure. But we tried. Hey guys! Makes a pretty good mess, but I think these chickens are enjoying their soaker hose. I'm coming out to check on the animals. Charlie Cat's sleeping under the truck. Hey buddy, I got you some fresh cool water if you need a drink. Poor Harlow, she's sitting in the right spot, but it looks like somebody turned off the fan, so I'm gonna get that turned on for her. We got the fan turned on for Harlow. Does that feel good, sister? Keep those flies off of you too. Hey Ember. You enjoying some hay? Hey, Bridget. Hey, sweet Atlee. These flies are just bad today, aren't they? Poor girl. What are you thinking, Dove? Is the fly mask helping? Or is it just annoying? Dwayne was looking a little hot, so I brought him over to his water, but he doesn't seem interested in it, so I guess he's all right. The bunnies look like they're staying cool. I think Honey's enjoying his space in front of the fan. Hey Nugget. Luna, how you guys doing? You staying cool? Hey Dawad. Hey Moose. You wouldn't be so hot if you would just get out of the nesting boxes, my little broody lady. Most of the bantams are enjoying just hanging out on these soaker hoses. Stay cool, guys. You didn't have to get up. These ducks were laying down in the little puddles the soaker hoses have made. Does that feel good, Sammy? Stay cool. You all are making bad choices. It's hot in here. Get out and go get a drink. Especially you two. Can you get out? It's too hot. Go get a drink, silly girl. Are you gonna get out and go get a drink? It's so hot. Come on. Come on. This lady likes to fight me. Prove me wrong that she doesn't need a drink. Can you go get a drink? Thank you. This one's getting out on her own. Go get yourself a drink. Good job. This one looks like she's gonna go right back in. Bad choice. All right, little lady, you're looking hot. Come on out. Come on. Go get a drink. No? Okay. Suit yourself. We noticed that Atlee has some kind of boo-boo by her eye. So Wayne is gonna get her washed off and then check out her eye the best that we can. It's right here. We don't know if she got poked with something or if the flies are bothering her. Atlee's getting her bath now. Does that feel good? You're gonna smell good. Good girl, Atlee. Now Dove's getting all cleaned off. It's crazy how their dirt just hides in their fur. We're gonna change our tactics a little bit. I'm gonna blow Harlow out and see how much dirt I can get off of her while Wayne is finishing up with Dove. Now Wayne and I have switched. I'm getting Dove dry and he's washing Harlow. Now it's Harlow's turn to get blown out. I don't think she likes being this wet. Just a second. We got Harlow all dried off. Pretty sure Wayne's working on Bridget right now, so we'll go get her. Now Bridget's getting herself clean. Now it's Bridget's turn to get dry. Good job, Bridget. Ember's getting sprayed off. It's almost time to get her dry. Time to get Ember dry. Now Ember's dry enough. We're done with the blow dryer bunnies. I'm sure that's super loud for them. Although they don't seem to mind it. They're all getting their bellies full on some grass before bedtime.
Sit.
Wayne finding the way to your heart, Evie? So that you eat right out of the treat box? Most of the chickens are up for the night, but I haven't collected eggs yet, so we're gonna get that done and then I'll shut the doors on them. Hey ladies! Did I come home from vacation to 2 broody hens now? I knew about you, but what are you doing? Silly girls. These eggs won't turn into chicks, you're just wasting your time. We're gonna collect these, this one, and the eggs that these girls have under them. All right, little lady, what eggs do you have under you? None? You're just hanging out in here? Okay, That's on you. All right, what about you, Nun? What you got under ya? Push those forward. Thank you. How you getting along with your new flock, buddy? You seem to be doing all right. Head on into bed. The bantams are all up on the roost. I'm gonna collect eggs from these girls and then close them up. I'm gonna grab these two also. Colonel, do you have any eggs under you? All right, you should quit being broody then. What about you? Oh, don't get grumpy with me, Hershey. All right, little lady. Ow. Rude. There weren't even any eggs under you. No eggs under any of these broody girls. You guys are wasting your time. Good night, guys. We'll see you in the morning. I'm gonna get the stalls open so that we can get these girls in. Dwayne, this isn't where you sleep, buddy. Ready to go get some treats and go to your bed? Dove's trying to break in. Not yet, ma'am. No. I gotta get Dwayne put up first. Dwayne's getting his treats. And the stalls are open. All right, girls. Come on to bed. Good job, Atlee. Good job, Dove, Bridget. Good job, Ember. Good job, Harlow. Felicity, are you ready for your bedtime treat? Molly and Hallie. Are you gonna make me just keep holding it, Hallie? There you go. Good girls. You're a good girl too, Felicity. Here's your treat, honey. Have a good night, buddy. Good night, Dove. Good night, Ember. Good night, Harlow. Good night, Atlee. Good night, Bridge. That wasn't very nice. Good night. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.